Hello everyone, hope everybody's having a good week. This is a weekly check-in for your Math 146 online class. Hope things are going well. So if you click onto the Blackboard course shell, and if you take a look at the course calendar, we'll see that the first due date for the course is coming up very quick, October 11th. So October 11th is when the first 3 modules are due for the class, and the class has a total of 6 modules for Math 146. And let's see, when is October 11th? So today I am recording on September the 29th. Today's Tuesday. October the 11th is not this coming Friday, but next Friday. So we have about a week and a half until our first due date. So remember, all of the lessons, all of the discussion boards, all of the application activities, all of the tests for modules 1, 2, and 3 are due October 11th. That's next Friday. So that's your warning. All right, so be aware of that. What else would I like to tell you? I want to remind you that there is tutoring available. You go to the syllabus and you click on the link for the syllabus. There's some information within that syllabus about tutoring. That's down there somewhere. Where is it? We got the accommodation policy, information commons, tutoring services. So the tutoring services gives you a link, and I can just copy that link, copy it, and then paste it into a web browser. And then that will give me all of the tutoring information that I need. Okay? So if you need tutoring to help you get going for your due date that's coming up, there's the link for it. All right. Well, that's all I can think of for this week. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great week.